welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making my all-time favorite chocolate almond smoothie. It's using Dr. Mercola's protein powder, which is so delicious and nutritious. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to add is a 3/4 cup of ice. And then I have 1 fresh banana. And 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon of almond butter. And an 1/8 teaspoon of almond extract. This stuff is very strong, so it's only a little bit. And then I also have about 3/4 scoop of the protein powder. All right, and here we have our beautiful finished smoothie. Can never get this thing open. It smells so nice and chocolatey. It's so good, and this is such a perfect treat either for breakfast or for dessert. So good. The almond, everything mixed together perfectly. If you're trying to be a bit more healthy, this is also perfect because you can have it for dessert and make it into a smoothie bowl and top it with some fresh fruit. Or if you're just looking for more of my smoothies, they're on my website, and I'm thinking of doing a new series of smoothies, so let me know what you think about that. Thanks for watching. Cheers.